In this video, we'll be covering the 7 key benefits of doing push-ups every day, guide you through the correct technique for performing them, and share a few bonus tips. The first benefit is upper body strength development. Push-ups are an excellent exercise for building strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms. When you perform a push-up, your chest muscles, shoulders, and triceps have to work together to push your body weight up from the ground. This coordinated effort builds functional movement patterns that translate directly to everyday activities like pushing open heavy doors, moving furniture, or getting up from the floor. Unlike isolated exercises that work just one muscle at a time, push-ups provide a dynamic challenge that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Over time, this leads to stronger, more capable upper body muscles that improve your real-world strength and make daily tasks easier. Core stability and strength. This exercise significantly contributes to developing the kind of core strength that prevents injury and improves posture. Push-ups are an excellent exercise for building core stability throughout your entire midsection. When performing this exercise, your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back must work constantly to keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. This sustained tension requires your core muscles to stabilize your spine and pelvis against gravity. The constant engagement during each repetition strengthens these deep, stabilizing muscles in a functional way. Over time, consistent practice of push-ups can result in significant improvements in core stability, better posture, and reduced risk of lower back pain. Later in this video, we'll discuss how push-ups can improve your bone density and joint health. But first, let's talk about how they can dramatically improve your cardiovascular health. Push-ups are a highly effective exercise for improving heart health and endurance. As you perform multiple repetitions, your heart rate increases significantly, providing a cardiovascular workout that strengthens your heart muscle. This sustained effort challenges your cardiovascular system while simultaneously building muscle strength. Regular practice of push-ups leads to improved circulation and better heart health. This enhanced cardiovascular fitness is beneficial not just for exercise performance, but also for everyday activities that require sustained effort. Research shows that people who can perform more push-ups have lower risk of heart disease and better overall cardiovascular health. Let us know in the comments if you think your heart health can benefit from this exercise. Enhanced shoulder stability and joint pain relief. Push-ups are highly effective in enhancing shoulder stability, a key aspect of injury prevention as we age. When performing this exercise, the act of supporting your body weight challenges the shoulder muscles, particularly the rotator cuff and deltoids, to work continuously. This effort is not just about pushing up, it's also about maintaining proper alignment of the shoulders throughout the movement. As a result, the muscles around the shoulder joint are strengthened and their endurance is improved. Consistently practicing push-ups can lead to more stable and resilient shoulders, reducing the risk of injuries in daily life and during other physical activities. Additionally, this stability is beneficial for maintaining independence and reducing joint pain as we get older. Better posture and spinal alignment. It's very common nowadays for us to have a slouched posture from excessive sitting or looking down at our phones and laptops all day. Push-ups can counteract this problem and have you standing taller. This exercise naturally strengthens the muscles responsible for good posture, including your upper back, shoulders, and core. As you perform push-ups regularly, these muscles become stronger and more capable of supporting proper spinal alignment. The pushing motion strengthens the muscles that pull your shoulders back and keep your chest open. With practice, this strengthens your postural muscles, leading to a more upright, confident stance. Regular practice of push-ups can help correct slouching and other postural issues, making it easier to maintain good posture in everyday activities, reducing strain on the spine, and enhancing overall body alignment. Stick around till the end of the video because we'll be showing you exactly how to maintain proper form while performing this exercise. Bone density and joint health. Push-ups are not just for muscle building. They also offer significant benefits for bone density and joint health. As a weight-bearing exercise, push-ups put beneficial stress on your bones, which stimulates bone growth and helps maintain bone density. This is particularly important as we age, when bone density naturally begins to decline. The resistance provided by your own body weight encourages your bones to stay strong and resilient. Unlike high-impact exercises, push-ups provide this bone-building stimulus while being gentle on your joints. Regular practice of push-ups can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, maintain healthy joints, and support independent living as you get older. By combining strength training with bone health benefits, push-ups offer a comprehensive approach to healthy aging, which leads us into mental toughness and confidence building. Push-ups are a versatile exercise that builds both physical and mental strength simultaneously. This exercise challenges not just your muscles, but also your determination and willpower. Each repetition requires you to push through discomfort and maintain focus on proper form. As you gradually increase your ability to perform more push-ups, you build genuine confidence in your physical capabilities. The discipline required to do push-ups consistently develops mental toughness that carries over into other areas of life. Additionally, the visible improvements in upper body strength and muscle tone boost self-confidence and body image. When push-ups are a staple in your daily routine, you get the benefits of both physical strength and mental resilience, making it an efficient and comprehensive exercise for overall wellness. The great news about push-ups is that they require no equipment at all. You can perform them anywhere with just your body weight. However, there are some variations and tools that can enhance your push-up routine depending on what's available and suitable for you. Standard push-ups can be done on any flat surface. If you're just starting out or need to modify the exercise, you can perform push-ups against a wall or with your knees on the ground. Push-up handles or parallettes can reduce wrist strain and allow for a deeper range of motion. Resistance bands can add extra challenge to the movement. Elevated surfaces like benches or steps can be used for incline or decline variations to target different muscle groups. Before I show you exactly how to perform the perfect push-up, I want to mention something important. Push-ups are incredibly effective for building upper body strength and improving overall fitness, but they work even better when they're part of a complete approach to building a stronger, pain-free body. If you're over 40 and dealing with daily stiffness or want to move with confidence again, I created a comprehensive guide called Reboot Your Body that gives you everything you need to restore movement and build functional strength. You can find the link in the description below. It's the missing piece that takes your results to the next level. Now let me show you exactly how to perform the exercise the right way so you can receive all the benefits we mentioned earlier. To start, place your hands on the floor slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Fingers spread wide and pointing forward. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your core engaged and your glutes tight. Begin by lowering your body toward the floor by bending your elbows. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body, not flaring them out wide. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push through your palms and extend your arms to return to the starting position. Keep your head in a neutral position, looking down at the floor about a foot in front of your hands. Maintain that straight body line throughout the entire movement. Breathe in as you lower down and breathe out as you push up. Avoid letting your hips sag or pike up during the movement. For beginners, it's crucial to start with a variation that is manageable yet challenging. The appropriate difficulty will vary based on individual strength, fitness level, and experience. However, a general guideline is to choose a variation that allows you to maintain perfect form throughout the exercise. If standard push-ups are too difficult, start with wall push-ups or incline push-ups using a bench or step. As you get stronger, you can progress to knee push-ups, then to full push-ups. A good starting point might be 3 sets of 5 to 10 repetitions depending on your current fitness level. This range ensures that the exercise remains challenging for building strength and endurance, but not so difficult that it compromises your form or causes injury. It's important to start conservatively and gradually increase the repetitions as you become more comfortable with the exercise. Pay attention to your body's response and progress incrementally. Proper form, control throughout the movement, and the ability to complete your sets without strain are key indicators that you're working at the right level. Now you're probably wondering, how many push-ups should I do each day? Or how many times should I do the exercise per workout? I've got you covered. To keep it simple, a good starting point is to aim for 3 to 4 sets, with each set containing 8 to 15 repetitions depending on your fitness level. If you're just beginning, you might start with 3 sets of 5 to 8 push-ups. More advanced individuals might perform 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 25 repetitions. This setup provides a balance between strength building and endurance training. Between sets, take a rest period of 30 seconds to 2 minutes to recover, especially if you're working at a challenging intensity. You're going to want to incorporate push-ups into your routine daily or every other day, depending on your recovery needs and fitness level. The beauty of doing push-ups every day is that you'll see consistent improvements in your strength, posture, and overall fitness. As your body adapts to the daily challenge, you'll notice that everyday activities become easier. Your shoulders will feel more stable, your core will be stronger, and your cardiovascular health will improve. The key is consistency and gradual progression. Start where you are, focus on perfect form, and gradually increase your repetitions as you get stronger. Remember that push-ups are more than just an upper body exercise. They're a full body movement that builds functional strength, improves posture, enhances cardiovascular health, and develops the kind of real-world capabilities that make life easier as we age. The discipline of doing push-ups daily also builds mental toughness and confidence that carries over into every aspect of your life. Whether you're looking to build strength, improve your posture, or simply feel more capable in your daily activities, push-ups are one of the most effective exercises you can do. They require no equipment, can be done anywhere, and provide benefits that go far beyond just building muscle. Start today, stay consistent, and watch as this simple exercise completely transforms your body and your confidence. Leave a comment below on what other fitness exercises you'd like us to do a video on, and check out these videos right here.